I am unpackaging our HelloFresh. Tonight it is the pan-seared soy glazed pork. So let's see what we have in the box. We have scallions, carrots, Korean chili flakes, a little head of broccoli, sweet soy glaze, and garlic powder. So the first step is to preheat the oven to 425, so that's what I'm going to do first. My veggies have been washed and chopped. I chopped on the diagonal on the carrots because that's what it said to do. Now I'm going to drizzle it with olive oil and add salt and pepper and the Korean chili flakes on this side, only I'm just going to use half because neither my husband or I like a lot of spice. In they go. So this is what the pork chops look like. So I'm gonna get those out, put those in this pan, it's heating up, and season them up. So it is done. I cut up the pork chops and put them into the glaze. And then these are the veggies. This meal in particular, I feel needs some kind of starch with it or grain. So I'm also going to be making 2 little containers of the minute brown rice. I think that'll be really good with the glaze and the veggies and the meat. So a pro tip is to keep this box, don't throw it away. And as you go, put all the little packages and bits, like if you don't have a garbage disposal, then you can just throw it all away at the end. I highly recommend HelloFresh. All of their meals are really tasty. And maybe this just gives you an inspiration for something that you can cook. I think that you could probably find a sweet soy glaze at Walmart, and you can make this yourself without the kit. Thanks for watching.